Gather round, my young cats. Good morning everyone, Snowcastle Cats here. It's feed time, the 29th of January 2021. It's a Friday morning. It's a rainy day outside. As you can see, it's raining. Just a few days ago we had snow when we were building a snowman there. But there's, I don't know if you can see the remnants there, a little bit of white there. But the snow has long since gone and it's just a rainy day. But we're fine inside the nice warm house. The cats are enjoying their breakfast. I hope you guys are all doing well. Thanks for stopping by Snowcastle Cats for this morning's vlog. Or should I call it clog? Cat vlog, a clog. Yeah, here we are. We have Vanity, Luna, Fluffy and Lucky tucking into some raw duck. And I've mixed a little bit of coconut with it as well, just a small amount. Just a little bit of this, less than half a teaspoon. Gives it a bit of flavour. And the cats seem to like it. As you can see, they're scoffing it down, aren't they? I was going to say they're wolfing it down, but probably scoffing is better as they're cats. No. I hope everyone's keeping well, and those of you that have got cats, I hope your cats are keeping well as well. The channel's growing quite well. We've recently hit 1,000 subscribers, so that's cool. And I'd like to thank you all for the comments and the views and for stopping by. I reply to every comment that I get, but sometimes it takes me a day or two because I get quite a few sometimes, but I do appreciate it. Lucky's now just giving her little face a little clean. We've got plenty more videos planned for the channel, many more. There's over 700 already and we have many more planned, so if you like pretty short hair cats, consider subscribing to our channel. Maybe have a look at the backlog or the back catalogue, no pun intended, catalogue of videos, and you can see the cats when they were much younger. Well, some of these guys are finishing up now. Fluffy's gone. She didn't ask if she could leave the table, she just went. No, this one's exactly the same as the other one, Vanity. Just exactly the same. And who's going to be the last cat? It's bound to be Lucky, isn't it? because she seems to be a big eater over there. She's going to come and join Mum now. Nice little yoga cat stretch there. Was that nice? I told you it'd be lucky we'd be the last one, didn't I? First in, last out. Nearly finished. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this morning's video. And from Snowcastle Cats, we will see you in the next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.